Welcome again friends. This video is extension of setting problem. If you have not watched my previous video on basics of setting problem, do watch from the link in the description. Also find link for multiple row problems. So today we will be solving problem on single row linear setting, but to make the problem complex, people will be facing opposite directions. As is an example of a musical chair game where one person sit facing the north, the other one facing the south. So in addition to normal linear setting problem, we have two more things to note to this type of problems. First, one is the direction they are facing. So for convenience, we assume top to be the north and bottom of our page as south. So we solve the question accordingly. Second important point is when a person is facing north, his left and right would be opposite to the one who is facing south. So with these and other points in mind from my previous video, let's start solving a problem which came in SBI PO exam 2016. So in this question there are 8 persons who are sitting in a straight line but not in the same order. Okay, some of them are facing north while some are facing south. So for convenience we assume top of our page is north and bottom of our page is south, and accordingly this is east and this is west, and we'll start solving the problem by making two two options with 8 slots for 8 men. So in option 1, this is our option 1. This is our option 2. So we'll start by working on the statement. So first statement says only 3 people sit to the left of n. So if n is facing north, so 3 persons are on his left. Now if n is facing south, so n has to sit here. And his left would be this. B sits second to the right of n. So in option 1, it would be here. In option 2, it would be here. C sits third to the left of O. Okay, we don't have any position of C and O, so we'll move to second statement. O is not an immediate neighbor of O is this statement we have filled in. So O is not an immediate neighbor of B. So O could not be here. So we'll write NO, not for O. Okay. Similarly here also, here O cannot set. Still we don't know about O and C. We go to next statement. O does not sit at any of the extreme ends. So there are two more positions which are crossed for O, which are these. Okay, so now we are left with just two positions for O here and two positions for O here. So we can go back to our this third statement. C sits third to the left of O. So if C is sitting third to the left, so that means between O and C there should be two positions. So we see if O is here, O cannot be here, or C cannot be here, as there is just one position जो n है, n would be left. So O की position, O cannot be here, है ना? So if O is here, तो C has to be here. So O has to be here, where the gap of two people at least is with us. Now since O is here, so C is here. But we see in normal course C is towards the right of O. So we have to reverse the direction to make C third to the left of O. So O would be facing south in this case, right? Similarly in option 2 also, O cannot come here as there is gap of just 1 to fill this position. So O has to be here and C would come here. Now C sits third to the left of O, so to keep him left, O has to face north here, right? Coming to next statement, C and O face same direction. So O key direction we have, C ka direction we can mark accordingly. Option 1 it is south, in option 2 C and O are facing north. Both the immediate neighbors of D face north. Okay, so we don't have position of D right now. So we go to next statement. D does not sit at any of the extreme ends of line. So this position is not for D. This also is not for D. Here also this is not for D. This is not for D. So D is left with just either this position or this position. But both the neighbors of D face north. So D cannot come here as O is facing south here. So D has to necessarily come here, which is the position left. And second option also, N is facing south at this position, right? So D cannot be here. So D has to come here. Now immediate neighbors of D face north. So we can mark this is north facing, this is north facing. Similarly here B is north facing and this is north facing, right? Person sitting at extreme ends face opposite directions. So we have position of one extreme end person which is north on the rightmost here in option 1. So this one will be south. It is north here, so it will be south here. Both the immediate neighbors of N face same direction. So N का one neighbor C is facing south here, so this also has to face south. Similarly in this C is facing north, so this also has to face north. A sits second to the left of L. Now their position will be like this, there will be a gap of one person. So this position is not for A or L, this position is not for A or L, this is for A and L, right? So to sit to the left of L, A has to be here and L come here. So this way A is to the left of L at the second position. Coming to next option. So here if L comes here, so his left is this, right? So A has to sit here. So A cannot sit anywhere here. So since left of this position is this, so L cannot come here. However, in this position, left of this is going this way. So A and L cannot be placed anywhere in option 2, right? So that means option 2 is the wrong option and we can cut it. Now we are left with just one person. So we can place that person here and that person is M. So M will sit here. We have last statement which says D faces a direction opposite to L. L ka direction is south here, so D's direction would be north. So this is our solution in option 1 here, which we will take forward and solve our coming questions. First question that follows is how many people sit exactly between B and O? So we see there are 3 people here, so answer is 3. Who among the following represent the immediate neighbors of the person sitting at the extreme ends of the line? The extreme ends of the line are L and M, and their neighbors are O and D. So O and D is our answer here. Who among the following faces north? So we have N, B, D and M who are facing north. Which of the following is true based on the given arrangement? B and C face the same direction. That is false. B and C are facing opposite direction. B faces south. That is also false. Only 3 people face south. That is also false. There are 4 people who are facing south. L, O, A and C. M sits at one of the extreme ends of the line. That is true. So answer is E. Who among the following sits second to the right of C? Second to the right of C is A. So that's all for today. In next 2 videos, I will take you through variants of circular setting. That is in circular setting facing inward outward problems and concentric circle problems. So please like and subscribe for more updates. Thank you very much.